Y'all, this install is giving flawless and effortless vibes. Wait till you see how easy it is.
She wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby. Let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and the more one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up. We finna go.
Today I'm showing you how I installed this glueless body wave closure wig from Unice Hair. No glue, no fuss, just vibes. Whether you're a wig pro or just looking for a quick and easy install, this tutorial has all the tips you need to slay your look in minutes. Don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more wig slayage like this. Let's get into it. And just like that, we've transferred this Glueless body wave wig into a whole vibe. If you're interested in checking out this wig from Unice Hair, I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description box. Be sure to check out all those codes, y'all, because Black Friday and Cyber Monday is coming up and you already know it's time to save some coin. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about this look and if you would rock a wig like this. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tutorials, and turn on those notifications so you never miss a slay. If you need a flawless makeup look to go with this wig, y'all already know, definitely check my latest Get Ready With Me video. I got you covered, babes.